Struggling to find where to update product prices in Odoo? Learn to change any product's sales price in just a few clicks. We'll navigate to the product section, select your item, update its sales price, and save. Let's get started. All right, first you'll navigate to the home page. That's your starting point in Odoo.
Then click on Sales to bring up the Sales menu.
Next, click on Products at the top bar to get to the product area. Now click on Products again, which will show you the full product list. From that list, click on the product whose price you want to update. Once the product opens, locate the Sales Price field and click on it to select it. Type in the updated price for that product right there in the field. Then hit the Save button at the top left corner to apply your change.
And now you can see the updated price reflected. That's it. You're all set.
If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.